Hello, this is Dr. Daniel Gullo, the coordinator of digital humanities projects at the Hill Museum and Manuscript Library, and Joseph S. McAuliffe, curator of the Malta Study Center. On behalf of Father Columba Stewart, the executive director of HMML, and John Meyerhofer, our systems librarian, I want to introduce you to our newly redesigned version of VHML School, which is now available to you from the vhml.org website. So if you go to vhml.org or simply type in vhmlschool.org, you will see our new site. And I want to introduce you to some of our new features, which include new lessons, which are of Arabic scripts, and also new ways of interacting with the site, which should be much improved over the old version of School. So, for those who do not know, School is designed to learn the science of paleography and codicology, and currently we have that for Latin, Syriac, and Arabic scripts. We will be adding different languages in the future. So to introduce you to the navigation of the site, you can see here that we have 3 scripts that we can choose from. And if you wanted to study, let's say, Latin, you can go ahead and choose Latin. And here you will see all of the chapters or lessons that one can study. Each lesson is divided into lesson and exercises and transcription. So if we were interested in studying Gothic Textualis, we would click on the Gothic Textualis lesson and it would bring us to the site. Note here that you can have this navigation bar to navigate throughout the lesson, or you can simply scroll down and see the lesson. If you're down the lesson and want to go back to the top, just simply hit the back to the top button. Or you can go forward to a different part of the lesson that you want to study, in this case, fully formed textualis. All of the images in VHML School are zoomable, so you can zoom in on them and move them around, and you can rotate them and go back to the original display of the image. If you are done with such a lesson, you can click back to one of the lessons, or you can go to an exercise, or you can go to transcription. For the moment, let's just go back to the lessons. On this lesson page, if I wanted to switch from Latin to Syriac, I can go up to the scripts and choose scripts, then choose my Syriac script, and then you can see here we have lessons and transcription exercises. Let's use these to see how transcription works. By clicking on transcription, you're brought into a page where the image appears. And you will note that we have a box where you can now type in the transcription. So if one wanted to do a transcription of Syriac, one could simply start writing your transcription here as you wished. If you wanted to check on your transcription, you can just simply click on the key, and the transcription as it should be transcribed, of course, appears to you, the user. You can close it to bring it back. So let's go ahead and go back to our Syriac lessons. Syriac lessons operate the same way as our Latin lessons do. You can see examples to study, practice the transcription based upon the script that is being instructed, or go back to the lessons. We do have some resources on VHML School, which take you back to our broader VHML universe, so you can learn about these other options like reference and lexicon, which will facilitate your introduction to manuscript studies. We have added Arabic for the first time. This is in a process of development. As you can see, we have lessons available, but we do need to add some more transcription ones over the next few weeks. But we wanted to get it out to you perhaps as an early Christmas present. One of the things that we are expanding over the course of the time is the use of exercises. Currently we have some available in Latin, but not in the other languages. In this case, you can go to the lessons and you will be prompted with a question, and for example, it's going to ask you which image is in square capitalis, and then you can choose which one you want and find out if it's true, and then be given a nice little answer for practicing. These will be expanded over the course of the next several months. So that's our introduction to VHML School. We hope you enjoy it. You can use the content button up here at the top and contact us if you wish to offer any suggestions or improvements. Thank you very much.